Hello my dear students, in the virtual class we learned the symptoms of malware attack, right? So now we are going to learn the some of the things that how you have to be prevent your computer malware. If there is a malware in your computer, how could you remove that malware from your computer? So we learn this thing one by one. How do you which software you have to be used for that, and which kind of things you have to be performed with that. Okay, so first of all, I told you to everyone that if you want to remove malware from your computer, then you don't have to worry. Just use some of the software, some of the applications to prevent the computer malware. So let's them learn one by one. That is the anti-malware. When you are using some of the malware, it is called an anti-malware. Okay, so anti-malware, what is the anti-malware? It is used to prevent, detect and remove the malware. When you are using when there is a malware in your computers and you want to prevent it, you have to use the anti-malware. These softwares that I told you, these are called the anti-malware. Means the virus is called the malware, and if you want to prevent that malware, it is called the anti-malware. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn types of anti-malware, which of the softwares we use, which of the types of anti-malwares we have to be used. First one anti-malware type is the antivirus. That is for the we learn this all the things one by one. First is the antivirus, second is the anti-spyware program, third one is the anti-spam program. Anti-spyware and the anti-spam, both are the different things. And the fourth one is the firewall and intrusion detection system. Okay, so let's learn one by one. First is the antivirus software. Okay, so simply now basically in the systems, in the mobile phones, we are using the antivirus software. They can be easily made for us. They can and we are using these softwares very easily. So which are these are the examples of antivirus software. Sorry, how do you use it, how can you download it? You can download them by on the Google, on the in your browser. You can easily download that. Just write down the, for example, you want to download the AVG antivirus, that is the most famous antivirus software. Just write down that AVG antivirus download. It will be displayed to how do you download. Okay, so these are the example: AVG antivirus, make a free, Kaspersky Lab, GData, EACT, Node 32 antivirus. These are the most properly example using for the antivirus, and one is also used for the quick that is also for the antivirus for scanning your computer, for scanning for your mobile. Both are the different application. For Android there is a different application, for Windows there one is the other different application. I want to show you the AVG example. Actually I have a AVG example, but due to some reason I cannot start my application. That's why I will show you the some of the photos for that and some of the steps how do you start the AVG program. Okay, so first of all, if you downloaded the AVG program in your computer system, then what should you have? If there is a by default on your screen, then you directly double click on it and you can start to use it. So and if you don't appear this AVG program in your screen, then you can use this one. Click step 1, click start all programs, AVG 2012, AVG user interface. The AVG Internet Security Windows appears. You have to perform these steps and you can see this one screen on your computer screen. This is the main screen of AVG program. AVG full form is the antivirus guard. Okay, second step, click the scan option. There are 3 options under the screen of the 3s. This is the scan options. You have to click on this and you can see 1, 2 and the 3 options in front of you. First one is the wall computer scan, Second is the scan specific files or the folders, and the third one is the anti-rootkit scan. So that is depend on you. And in the virtual class someone is asking me, ma'am, how can we remove the rootkit? So this is the one software, from using of that you can remove the rootkit also. So in the whole computer, your whole computer will be scanned. In the second option, you can scan only some of the files, selected file as well as selected folder will be scanned. And the fourth one is the anti-rootkit scan. It will be find the whole computer. If there is a rootkit find, it will be scanned it. Third and the last, when the scan is completed, a message scan finished displayed on your windows. And this message, when this will be displayed to you, means your computer is safe. This green tick, you are protected, मतलब आपके कंप्यूटर में कोई वायरस नहीं है, तब ये आपको डिस्प्ले होगा. Okay, now next, antivirus. Antivirus is, remember that antivirus is removed for some of the viruses like worms, like simple viruses we can use the antivirus. Now there is a anti-spyware program. Okay, it's a one type of program that is used to prevent, deleted and remove any unwanted spyware program installed in the system. Okay, simply आपके प्रिवेंट, आपको जो नहीं चाहिए, जो स्पेवेयर में क्या होता है, अगर आप डिलीट करते हो वापस से वो रिमूव होके अपने वापस से कंप्यूटर में आता है. तो एंटी स्पेवेयर क्या करता है, जो फाइल आपकी डिलीट हो गई है उसको प्रोटेक्शन में लाके आपके कंप्यूटर में से उसी फाइल को डिलीट करता है. दिस इज द एंटी स्पाईवेयर एंड दिस इज द वन एग्जांपल ऑफ द एंटी spyware, that is the safety. Another is the super anti spyware, say spyware doctor, Stopzilla, Spayweeper and AVG anti spyware. AVG का दूसरा वर्जन है AVG anti spyware. Next, anti spam program. Anti spam program are used to block or quarantine. You know what is the meaning of quarantine? Email messages with the malicious content or from unknown senders and alert the user do not open or respond in such mails. You know that is when the anti-spam, what will be happen when you download from some of the data from the email, it will be told you this software will told you this is the harmful file, this is the harmful mail. This is the work of the anti-spam program. Means it will be do the quarantine to that document, to that file, to that folder. You know quarantine का मतलब क्या होता है, उसको एक जगह पे रखना जिसकी वजह से पूरी सिस्टम को डैमेज ना हो. जैसे कि अभी हम देखते हैं कि कोविड में क्या होता है कि सिंपली अगर किसी को मतलब किसी को हुआ है कोरोना, तो उसके आगे पीछे जो भी रहते हैं उनको भी क्वारंटाइन में रखा जाता है ताकि उनके टच होने पे दूसरे को ना लगे. तो एंटी स्पैम सॉफ्टवेयर जो है वो भी वही वर्क करता है. वो जो ईमेल में अटैच करप्टेड फाइल आई है उसको भी रखता है एक क्वारंटाइन फोल्डर में, क्वारंटाइन डेटाबेस में उसको भी क्वारंटाइन रखता है और उसको देखता रहता है कि ये बे बाहर ना निकल जाए जिसकी वजह से पूरे कंप्यूटर को डैमेज ना हो. सो दिस इज द वन बेस्ट एग्जांपल दैट वी कैन सी. सो एंटी स्पैम विल बी शो एंड नाउ our government, our police officers, our doctors are working as an anti-spam for us, just because they can take care of the some of the malicious means some patients that are affected by corona. So this is the real life example that I told you, and I hope that you can understood the basic concept of the anti-spam, just because it's totally same now situations. Okay, these both are the examples of the anti-spam program, Comodo and the super antivirus spyware. Then firewall and intrusion detection system. What is the firewalls and detecting system? It is used to monitor the network activity and detect as well as block any kind of suspicious activity. Okay, this is by default in your computer. Okay, sorry for interruption again. Firewall is the one of the thing that will be by default in your computer. आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में फायरवॉल बाय डिफॉल्ट रहता है, जो क्या करता है आपके कंप्यूटर को एनी टाइम स्कैन करता रहता है, बट इट कैन बी नॉट डिटेक्ट द पर्टिकुलर वायरस नेम. जैसे कि स्पेवेयर है वो उसको डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पाएगा, और जो हाई डेफिनेशन वायरसेस जो आते हैं उनको वो स्कैन नहीं कर पाता. बट बाय डिफॉल्ट जो सिंपल वायरसेस होते हैं वो हम डायरेक्टली हमारे कंप्यूटर में फायरवॉल का यूज़ करके उसको स्कैन कर सकते हैं. So what is the work of the firewall? This is the symbol of the firewall that will be by default in your computer. Okay, you can also search in your computer about the firewall. That will be this type of, it will be colored gray in your computer, and you can search it and you can see how you can scan your computer. Okay, so they are used to protect the user's computer, servers or the network. User computer as well as server as well as network, and remove them from the malicious software and cyber attacks. वो क्या करता है, साइबर अटैक्स जो होता है और malicious जो प्रोग्राम होते हैं उनसे भी आपको प्रिवेंट करता है, उनसे भी आपको बचाता है. They may not prevent the malware installations but can block attempt to gain the illegal access to your file over a network or the internet connection. Okay, so it can be block the illegal access. जो illegal access होता है उनको भी block करता है. This is the working of the firewall that will be by default in your computer. It will be stand like a protector in front of your computer. Okay, so these are the softwares that you can use in your computer, and easily you can download that software in your computer. And I suggest if you want to download any of the software, then you can use Quick Heal. That is the most famous now. Quick Heal is the famous one, and it will be available by cost. It may be there will be a cost by 650 maybe, or you can use the AVG software. That one is the most famous. You can also download it for Android, means your mobile phone, as well as for your computer. It's totally free if you want to download that, and you can see on my screen I have also an AVG application, AVG software. Okay, so nextly we learn about the preventions against the malware. What should you have to do to stop malware? Okay, now I am going to end this video, and if you have any query then you can ask me. If you don't understood what is the topic, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Bye.